everybody, welcome back to Furniture Flipping Teacher. I'm Lauren and we are back at our Airbnb slash rental house that we are having a ton of work done inside. So our contractors are in there finishing up that work and they're going to be moving to the outside pretty soon. So I am going to go ahead and demo down this porch as well as the deck in the back because we're going to give everything a fresh new look. They might come out and help me. I convinced them that I wanted to be the one to start the demo. So I got myself a little reciprocating saw. Never used it before, but I'm excited because I just want to cut through things and I'm so ready to do this. Neiman is taking forever to get you guys all your before photos and footage. So enjoy that because I had to be patient and now I'm finally ready and so is he. So let's get to it. So for this porch, we're really confused in general why it's even on this house because really there's a couple of stairs under here with a nice porch and then right inside the door is like the main porch. It's like a screened in type porch, so we don't really think there's a point in having both this bigger porch and that bigger porch, so that's why we're going to be taking this down and then we'll be adding railings to those stairs and so on and so forth. This isn't wasp spray, but it will work, I'm sure. I don't think wasps have some sort of immunity to this, but I'm a little bit nervous. Probably just gonna like spray and run. Ah, one got away. We know they've been living around here for a while, but we didn't really, need to disturb them, but now I am not trying to get stung. And don't come at me. These are wasps, like not the kind that we need. Even though I didn't do it. right, that does it for the front portion of the demo. And we are gonna be doing the back deck next. I don't think it's gonna take as long because we're really just going around the edges. So let's head on back there and I'll show you what we're gonna demo. Let's check it out back here.
What the?
They already demoed it.
You kidding me?
We wait a couple of days and our contractor's got that down.
These guys need some hobbies. We haven't been here in like 2 days because we didn't even get the estimate really done on what this was gonna cost us and everything. They just were okay.
They were in the demo mood, I guess. Well, okay. I guess we need to call our contractor and see what else needs to be done, and we probably need to meet him here because yes, this is definitely part of the plan, that all coming down, but we haven't completely nailed down, I guess, like what exactly the design of the deck is going to be. So we'll be back when we know a little bit more information on anything else that might need to be done here.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm not mad that they got this done. Even though we didn't get any content on it, I'm totally not complaining on them getting that done and me not having to help do it or anything. So I'll take it. All right, let's give Leo a call.
Let's do it.
Feeling good outside.
Oh,
Yeah.
Today, finally.
Finally, when you guys are all done with this, or when
Yeah, that's
the one
not
out back
bad.
at least. Because what you were thinking was get rid of all of this concrete and then rebuild with the wood. Okay, so what was the wood?
Just the steps.
Just the steps,
For
okay.
this part.
But yeah, I was just talking about the steps, not the whole thing.
I got you. I was just clarifying. So, Leo, you don't think we should do that as far as the wood steps?
We can do wood, but we have to fix all this
Right.
to protect with the water.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
regardless if we do concrete or if we do the wood steps, it's got to get demoed.
Yeah.
But we have to have
for the wood.
we have to have concrete here regardless though for over here.
With our contractor. Great conversation. We really like him. I don't know how many times we've told you guys, but we really do. We decided, originally we were gonna leave the boards, but we decided that it's gonna be really difficult to like match the new with the old because we're gonna actually extend the deck out to here. And so like matching those old boards and putting new ones, it would just look really funny and it would be really hard to merge. So I do get to do some demo back here, and I am going to just basically spend some time unscrewing all of these boards. I think I'm gonna keep them in our shed back there because who knows what we might be able to use them for. Maybe building like planter boxes and then painting them, or who knows. It's good wood still, so I definitely don't want it to go to waste, but I'm gonna be unscrewing for who knows how long. All right guys, I'm not usually one to like give up on a project, but this one, I don't know if I'm giving up, but I don't feel as if I have the correct tools I'm not really even sure what the correct tools would be, but I also just might not have the strength to do this removal of the top of the deck, unfortunately, because I was looking forward to doing some demo. I got the whole entire top of the staircase all off, but this is as far as I've gotten so far, and I'm really struggling to do it. I've got my pry bar, my hammer, and my drill, but so many of the screws are I don't know how to explain it, but they're like just basically breaking off like this, when really they're supposed to be this long. So like half of the screw is still in there, and then that's why I have to like pry it. But then some of the times it's even like less than half of the screw, and it's just, I want to see if I can find one. It's like just this much of the screw, and so literally the entire thing's still in there, but there's no way for me to screw it out. So with all that being said, I think I'm gonna leave the rest of this demo job to the contractors. I would have liked it a tad bit better if the demo of the railings was what I did, and then this is what they did, but they're just gonna end up doing the whole thing. I'll just text Leo, our contractor, and let him know that I failed and it's okay, and I will just move on to the next project. There's so much more that's got to get done inside in the Airbnb upstairs especially, but the bottom portion is also really coming along, and it's so close for us to be able to show you guys, as well as the exterior and so on and so forth. So we got so many things that are exciting that are coming up. So if you haven't already, make sure you get subscribed down below. We would love to have you along on our journey of making over this house. It has been a long journey and it's still going, but I plan to do some Airbnb projects coming up very soon. So those of you guys that have been along for that, stay tuned for that. And then if you're new here, get subscribed, like I said, because there's tons and tons of stuff. You never know what you're gonna get here on FFT. Thank you guys so much for watching and for all of your continued support. We will see you on the flip side.